my loving students, my dazzling flowers of the eye-catching garden of this universe. Many, many blessings to all of you. A question arises in our mind. How can we get success in our life? What things are responsible for our success? God, faith, luck or destiny, and effort. Maybe all of them, but in what proportion? According to me, if I talk about God, I found that it is something that we can't do anything about. If I talk about faith, I truly found at the essence of all true spiritual path in all real practitioners, there is a transformation. Transformation of character from arrogance to humanity, greed to generosity, hate to love, dissatisfaction to complacency, ruthlessness to compassion, selfishness to selfless. These are the core of all true faith. According to me, faith is trusting in something that you can't explicitly prove. If I talk about luck or destiny, over the years I gathered the knowledge that destiny is the situation that comes to you and it is beyond your control. For example, you didn't choose your parents. Did any of you choose your parents? No. You never thought that he will be my father, she will be my mother, and I will incarnate. You never thought about that because you were destined, that was destiny. You were born in a poor family, you were born in a rich family, you were born in a mediocre family. You never thought about that because you were destined, that was destiny. Now, I would like to ask a question. Did any of you choose your look? Answer is no. You never thought that my face will be shaped like that, my body will be shaped like that, my nose will be shaped like that, my eyes will be shaped like that. You never thought about that because you were destined, that was destiny. No one look as beautiful as his or her Facebook profile picture, and no one look as ugly as his or her Aadhaar card picture. No one, no one, no one. So, destiny is the situation that comes to you and it is beyond your control. If someone comes to me, he or she insults me, I don't choose it, it is my destiny. But my response on those situations is my choice. Response is not destiny. Choice is not destiny. Situations will be remained always in our life, whatever they are. Sometimes there might be health problems. Sometimes there might be financial crisis. Sometimes there might be job-related problems. Sometimes there might be family feud. Sometimes there might be family discords, etc. So situations will be remained always in our life. But my response on those situations is completely and entirely is my choice. What I choose it, it is my choice. And when will I choose it, that will decide my future destiny. That's why we say that man is the maker of his destiny. Children, you are all students, so you have only one choice, and your choice is put your 100% effort to achieve your goal or destination or target or aim of your life. Don't leave a proportion of your energy and capability into God, faith, luck or destiny, etc. It is not your business. Your business is put your 100% effort to achieve your goal, and you do it. Right amount of effort at right time and right places. These are very important for getting success. You can get success in your life if you will use yourself with full potential. Perception and intelligence level, these are very important for getting success in our life. So students, always enhance your perception and intelligence level. Your efforts should be incisive, focused and calibrated. At last but not the least, I watch this space that all students will put their go-getting firm hand into education. Spread your wings, steer a path, work your way to the top. I look forward to all my academician, minds of information, mentors, motivators, source of inspirations that you will make the children up to that level of consciousness so that the students will have the world at their feet. I express my extreme thankfulness for listening me carefully. Thank you very much. May the Almighty bless you.